Today I'm going to be joined by my brother, and today all of you know that we're on our back garden for some reason, because we normally do it in my brother's room doing Fortnite, but today something real. Okay, Jen, can you hold it facing me and you? And I'll just stand on here because I'm probably not tall enough. I'll just stand.
You are.
Okay guys, so something weird has happened today, and
We found a bird thing and
found-
we found it on here.
we found a bird egg on our trampoline. So Jaden, hold the tablet where I put my finger. Pass me it.
Okay, and there's a ball on it. There's a green ant on it. Look at this foam. No, this foam. Is it even off?
I have no clue.
Ew.
Guys, it was there. Okay, now Jaden, you're gonna hold the tablet again, and we're gonna show you where. Okay, guys, we're not gonna touch it because we've already touched it.
I'm going to touch it again and show the camera. Where is it? Pass it out. I'll just hold it there. So guys, we're just digging it up.
Look, let me do it.
What? Dun, dun, dun!
It's a real big bag, and we've put it in a little farm, as you can see.
Don't hold it out for too long because mom might see it.
And we're gonna hide it again. We need to wash our hands again. Okay, so guys, we're going to end this video right here. Okay, so guys, we hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and we will see you all next time. Goodbye.
Bye.